Hello everyone and welcome to the Gulf Sniper. This is Talali with you, and I am going to take you today through a recap of Monday the 19th of July 2021. As you can see, the market was hilarious, really, and the impact on the market even extended to the Japanese market as opened a while ago, and it seems that this might even extend to the European markets as well. Nevertheless, we got our positive share really in the market, and it was not easy really, but it was enjoyable really, so we enjoyed it despite the fact that it was really challenging. Let me take you quickly through our setting first. For those who are following us for the first time, our starting equity for July is $10,000, and we will review this one and we'll make it like around 5,000 in the coming month. And our buying power as a result of the starting equity is 6-1 usually, so it is 60,000 and not 255. And the share size per each trade is 3,000 shares per trade, and the commission per trade for my broker CMEG Capital Markets Elite Group is 3.95 per each trade. Okay, let me show you the calendar and the results. Theoretically, the profit of our screener was in negative for Monday's session, and the opportunities were the lowest ever. So we got 14 opportunities and only 3 opportunities were winning. NUWE AEMD CREG. Okay, while the losing ones, surprisingly, the top losing one was APT, which we made profit out of it twice. So we'll be talking in details about this interesting really result, and how us being fully aware of our strategy will really help us survive in such days. So the setting, as you know, our profit target is 7% from our entry, and the stop loss is 3% from our entry. Now the opportunities where, as you can see, let me arrange them as you can see, so we can check when did we enter, and we can compare against the our action during the training. So the first opportunity that we entered was CRTD. On this candle itself, we entered, then it went down a little bit, then unfortunately it hit our stop loss, yes, then it continued upwards. So unfortunately 3.95 was there, but I did not just make this candle immediately, no, it opened and then it went down, and then it continued. But let me just verify. 3.72, 3.92, and then this one. Guys, it was maybe either this one or this candle, but The bottom line is that we entered and then it went down, then it made it. So for us, we have lost in this trade, and we have lost around 5% there. Yes. So that was a losing trade. Now APT, we entered an APT, the first entry, and it was not here, but APT. And we entered in a successful place. We had a successful entry, and I think it was about 8.38. So yeah, maybe this one, and then we get our first 7%. Okay. Then we entered AEMD, and AEMD was winning on the daily, and from the entry point on the system, however, we hit the stop loss there. Seems that we entered maybe, and then it went down, so we got stuck there and we lost. Then again we looked at APT, and then from APT we found another entry point. Maybe it was there when it was attractive, and then we entered at around 9.18. So before this one, also after this one has lost, we entered PETZ, and unfortunately that was losing also. So PETZ we entered at 3.49. Yeah, maybe in this one, and then we lost. Okay, going back to APT, and then in APT we continued our journey after we went down. Then I saw it good at good area, at good entry. I saw a good entry here, and then we got our profit for the second time. And APT has tested even the 10. It reached up to 10.17, then it went down a little bit, so maybe it will continue, or maybe it will pull back. In today's session, we will see. We got a very, very excellent entry and profit in remarkable time, in matter of minutes only. That is not at this entry. That entry was losing. It was not able to make the 7%, and it went down. Last one was NUWE. And NUWE was a good bonus, really. At this entry, you can see that it made a movement, then a pullback, and then it made another movement in 1, 2, 3 in 15 minutes. In our case, we made it only in 2 minutes, and that was a very perfect movement and good results, really. So on the results for the 19th on our website, you can see them. As you can see, those were the recorded ones. Then we stopped. We did not capture the winning ones. After that, and you can see the summary here. APT really saved us, and MTSL also, and then NUWE. Here the results of our trades and how we survived really. And this APT is the two trades actually representing almost 20% of our starting equity, which is the 10,000 per day, and then MTSL is 10% of our 10,000s, and then 5.7% is NUWE. Now NUWE has done that with the wave itself. Yeah, 4.5, that was the lowest, and then we made our profit. So